Yo, wedding photographers, how many clients did you lose last year because you didn't get on camera to talk about your business? And guess what? The bride went and booked a photographer that was confident on camera, talking about their business, and you weren't. So they booked that photographer. So today I'm just going to break down to you how your voice can help you get views, and then your potential client can book your services. And first, let me break down the power of your voice, right? So I've created a community of brides to be. And in that community, there are a bunch of brides that are getting married soon. So I created a PDF a few months ago, two PDFs, one's with a wedding playlist and one with a wedding photo timeline. These were ideas that came from the top of my head. But I had a community of people that like my content. So I created those two PDFs, and within a few months, I made $964 just off an idea inside my head. But my voice gave me that community, and that community just started trusting me and seeing that I show up and create content that they're looking for. And they were willing to pay whatever the price was as far as the digital products that I made. So today I'm just going to break down to you the 3 things that you need to do in your business so that you can be a great wedding photographer by speaking on camera and getting used to what you need to do to promote your business. The first thing as a wedding photographer you need to build through your videos is trust. People need to understand exactly what you do, because there are a bunch of wedding photographers out there that do everything, and they don't understand their process, and you're doing the same type of process as other wedding photographers. So if you're not gaining that trust with people that are going to spend thousands of dollars with you, because with a wedding, they're not only spending thousands of dollars with you, they have the wedding planners, they have the venues, they have the DJ, they have multiple vendors who they're going to spend money with on their special day. So they want to make sure that they can trust that person. So if you're not creating video content talking about what you actually do as far as a wedding photographer on a wedding day, they're not going to trust you. It's just straight like that. So you have to show the behind the scenes of the weddings you're shooting. You have to have contracts, invoices, and things in line so when people contact you, they know your process. And you have to just start speaking to them. It's going to be hard in the beginning, but you have to understand the longer that you do it, the more better you get at it. And you can try this example today, right? Because you want to do like a 30-second, like a problem that brides are having with the solution, and then how they can contact you. And you can just put that within a 30-second reel and just put it out every day. But if you don't want to put it out right now, just do one reel, the same exact script. Do it 3 times, record it 3 different times, and look at your third video versus your second video, and then your second video versus your first video. You are going to see a big difference in as far as how much progress you got just within those 3 videos. I like to say reps. If you haven't done enough reps on camera, then you're not going to get good at it, because it's not going to come overnight. You have a lot of things that you have to adjust as far as confidence first, and then understand exactly how this works. So do the reps first, because that's going to get you comfortable, and then so people can see that they can trust you, and you know that what you're talking about is real, and they know that you have a real business. And show the behind the scenes. Show the behind the scenes of you doing the actual thing. Things that you do throughout your business on a day-to-day basis is also content. So you posting just photos is not going to get it these days. You have to actually show the process of what you do. And then people will understand what you do and trust you. And then if they like you, they'll be willing to book with you. The second thing I've learned is your voice is powerful. So like me being on camera, now I have the opportunity to make more income with the PDFs. Like I didn't thought about that. But once I did it and just see if it works, now I have another stream of revenue coming in. And this revenue could be long term because people are always going to get married. So if I understand like different problems that they are having and I could just have a PDF for them to download, that is going to grow long term with my business. That could be a lifetime asset that I can put in my business and have it long term because all I have to do is create content and put the content out and let them know that the problems that they may be having, this PDF can solve it. And the world is big, right? So it's a lot of people in this world getting married every year. But me just having traffic come to that landing page and letting them know that I have this PDF that can help them choose wedding songs. Also, wedding photo timeline, because if they don't have a wedding photo timeline, the photographer maybe won't have all their photos on a wedding day. That is going to scare a bride. So they're going to actually get that wedding photo timeline. And the more and more I talk about it, they're going to get it. Like it's like I literally have this timeline and playlist, and I talk about it all the time on my Instagram page. And they go download it, and with no problem, they go get the timeline. They purchase it, download it, and it's just running on autopilot. Like all I have to do is create content talking about it, because on Instagram, you have to put out content. The more that you don't put out content, it won't be pushing your videos to more people. But the more that you put out content, it'll be pushing it out to more people. But just having a PDF, and I don't really shoot weddings like that no more. So just having that type of income coming in, and I'm not even a wedding DJ. Let's get that straight. I'm not even a wedding DJ. So just having that thought frame and seeing that what people are wasting time during the wedding process as far as planning, if they could download a wedding songs playlist within seconds, now they don't have to take a day or two or a week or two to think about wedding songs. They can just go to the playlist and see which songs they like and choose from there. And it's just helping them through the process. So the important thing about your voice and speaking online, you have to have a system behind it. That's the thing that you need to know about right now before you actually get into the process. Me, as you can see, I was winging it. I didn't have a system in place. I was creating content, but I never did have a system. But throughout my path of creating content, I started understanding systems. Like when I started talking about brides-to-be as far as like the wedding content to get booked, I knew I had to have a contact form to that video so that they can understand what I do, and I need their information. And once they fill out the form, okay, we jump on a call and we talk about the things that are going to help me get their photos on their wedding day. That was a system. So now, if you get on camera, you need that system, right? And then for me, like the PDFs, like I could talk about the PDFs in a video, but also that landing page has to talk about the problems that they are not thinking about, why they need that PDF. So when they land on that page with the PDF for them to purchase, they have to know exactly why they need that PDF. So it's just solving those problems in a system, having that system ready for them to purchase. Once you get them worked up about the problem that they may have on their wedding day, and they need the solution to that ASAP because you done brought the thought up in their head. So that's how you want to market with your voice. Your voice is going to speak to them in a way that they need to know what they need to do next as far as the problem that they don't want to have on their wedding day. So that's whatever you're marketing. If they don't want to have a wedding day where a photographer may miss important photos on their wedding day without the wedding photo timeline, they're going to get that wedding photo timeline. That's how you market and use your voice in your industry. And this works in any industry that you're in. You have to understand the problems that they're going to have and then have a system behind that. You see what I'm saying? But if you don't have a system behind that, now it's just like, okay, you're creating content, but the things you just talked about in this video, they don't align with the contact form. They don't align with your website. Everything is like you're winging it. You don't want to wing it. You want to talk about the problems in the video. You want to still talk about the problem on the landing page or on the contact form. It can be brief, but you want to make sure that it's aligned so that when they get on that page, they can actually go through the process and be like, oh, okay, he's talking about it again. Let me go ahead and book. You want to beat it into their head so by the time they get to that landing page, if you're selling something or if you're selling a service, you're saying it again, and they're like, okay, let me just fill out this contact form so I can talk to this person so that I can book me for their wedding day. That's all it is, having a system behind the things that you talk about. So that's all I got for this video. Hopefully this video helps you, and let me know which part of the video helps you the most. Because if you want to make money as a wedding photographer, the money is out here. But if you're not talking about what you actually do and how you do it and how you help people, how are people going to give you their hard-earned money for their wedding day? Because they've saved this money up for years, but they don't want to waste it on somebody that is not going to help them get the outcome on their wedding day. But that's all I got for this video. In the meantime, you can check out this video, and your boy out. Chew.